Birds' feet and feathers. Feet and claws. Claws of birds are shaped to suit their perching and foot habits. Claws can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming, and perching. Birds of prey. Eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong and sharp claws to firmly hold the prey while flying. Perching bird. Sparrows have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They are used to firmly hold a branch or a wire. Swimming birds. Ducks and penguins have webbed feet to swim. They are good swimmers, but they walk slowly. Wading birds. Crane and jacana have long legs and wide spreading toes. These help them to walk on shallow water or mud. They can walk in the mud without getting their body wet. Scratching birds. Some birds, like hen, have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects present in the soil. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parrot have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. These birds can cling to the trees to catch the insects and hold the fruits. Types of feathers. Wing feathers. Wing feathers are also known as flight feathers. They are long and stiff. They are on the wings and tail. If these feathers get damaged or lost, a bird can't fly. Down feathers. Down feathers are small, soft feathers that cover the whole body. In nestling, they are only feathers. In adults, they lie between and beneath the contour feathers. Down feathers have a fluffy appearance. Tail feathers. The tail feathers are mainly concerned with stability and control. They are used as a rudder, helping to steer and balance the bird and allow the bird to twist and turn in flight. These feathers also act as a brake for landing. Contour feathers. Contour feathers are what you see covering the bird's body and streamlining its shape. Sometimes brilliantly colored contour feathers can help the bird show off or stay camouflaged. Semi-plumb feathers. Semi-plumb are mostly hidden beneath other feathers on the body. Semi-plums have a developed central rachis but no hooks on the barbules, creating a fluffy insulating surface. Philoplum feathers. Short, simple feathers with few barbs. Philoplums function like mammals' whiskers to sense the position of the contour feathers. Bristle feathers. Bristles are the simplest feathers with a stiff ridges that usually lacks bob branches. Most commonly found on the head, bristles may protect the bird's eyes and face. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.